Carnations and lilies are hueless when set by the face of my fair. This goes for all of you and Paimanti and all the ladies in the world. Carnations and lilies are hueless when set by the face of my fair. याद करने में अंग्रेजी में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है. Carnations and lilies are hueless when set by the face of my fair. A fine woven gold is worthless when weighted against the wealth of her hair. Through arches of corals passes her laughter that banishes care. And flowers spring afresh. And flowers, for all of you, and flowers spring afresh amongst the grasses wherever her feet may fare. And for you, especially Pam Auntie, he would have said, Pam ki taki aaj aap bahut sundar lag rahi hain.
Shah Rukh Khan celebrated the 80th birthday of Mr. Yash Chopra last year, and at the same venue on his 81st birthday, Shah Rukh paid a wonderful tribute to Yash Ji when he's not around, along with the 9 actresses who've been associated with the Yash Ji at one point of time or the other, at a spellbinding fashion show which will be remembered for a long, long time to come. All the 9 actresses looked simply exquisite. The music was delirious, the choreography was divine, the entire ambience was simply magical, but Rekha Ji stood out.
मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं, आप होते तो कैसा होता. आप ये कहते, आप वो कहते, आप इस बात पे हैरान होते, आप उस बात पे कितने हंसते. आप होते तो ऐसा होता, आप होते तो वैसा होता. मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं. जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो यश जी, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
Shah Rukh is joined by 9 big actresses of Bollywood, the picture perfect moment for sure, and yes, the Shah Rukh charisma takes over from there.
If Yash Ji was here tonight, I know what he would say. He would look at all of you. First, he would be very happy that all of you are together. Not as happy as I am. I am a little happier. But he would look at you and say, oh, Shah Rukh, बहन की टकियां बहुत सुंदर लग रही थी यार. And then he would say, बाकी तू संभाल ले. यश जी, आप जहाँ पर भी हैं, हेवन के अंदर, जन्नत में रेकी कर रहे हैं, कोई पहाड़ों की और हनी स्ट्रीम्स की, ये जो बर्थडे है आपका, हम यहाँ से इन लड़कियों के द्वारा आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं.
Early on in my career, I got the opportunity to be a Yash Chopra heroine and to be a part of his films and just to watch the man work and to get inspired by him. And this is something that's always going to stay with me, of course. And genuinely, we really miss you and love you, Yash Ji. Happy birthday.
I never got the chance to be directed by Yash Ji. But I will never ever regret that because I had the honor to know him, to meet him every day, to sometimes have lunch with him. to sometimes be called by him at 7 o'clock in the morning and suddenly be disconnected. These are the small things that I will never forget. So, yes, Yashji, I really miss you. I miss having worked with you. In a way, we don't miss you so much. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, and you will always remain with us.
The one and only, the gorgeous, the most beautiful lady in the world, Rekha ji.
यही लाइन आप 1000 करोड़ों लड़कियों का कह चुके हैं. I'm just one of them. Thank you, Yashji, for making me this one of your Ben Takis, your Chandni, at least one of them. I'm honored and thrilled. Yeah, absolutely. And like he would say in his own words, वो बात जो लफ्ज़ों में अदा हो जाए, वो बात ही क्या होगी.
Yashji's memories remain in my heart. We shall always miss him. Yashji, I can feel your presence here. Happy birthday. We miss you.
Whenever I would meet him at a party, he'd joke with me and he'd say, "So, India's most beautiful." And I'd be like, "Yash ji, aap mera mazak hi udate rehte hain." Yash ji, you were very special. You made all of us so beautiful. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'd like to say, Pam ji, the most beautiful thing you have done for Yash ji is celebrate his birthday like this. It is so wonderful.
Yash ji, we really miss you. आपने मुझे सिखाया कि दिल तो पागल है और आपको हमेशा याद करेंगे हम जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
All I can say that I miss you a lot, and I miss baking a cake for you on your birthday. I hope you've forgiven me for not making you a cake last year because I was busy with some other commitment. I won't be able to express more, but I love you, Yash uncle, and I just wish you were here.
He's my only director who would always call me Zara, even till the last time I ever met him, and he always fed me. Pariniti, I've eaten more parathas and kachoris. And I'm sure wherever he is, his soul is at peace, and we miss you.
She was probably the oldest friend. I would call him my friend, but at heart he was the youngest, and I always felt I could tell him anything, anytime, and he would understand. So I think we'll all really, really miss you, Yashji.
It was a memorable evening, an evening that will be remembered for a long time to come. A perfect tribute to the romanticism of Yash Chopra. As I was sitting inside, I was just remembering last year's celebration, how that man had a wonderful sense of humor, tremendous love for life, loved food, loved people, and that was his biggest investment. And somehow, someone who will continue to live on. Some people never die, and Yash Chopra is surely amongst one of them. This is Faridoon Sharif, Zuhaib Jamadar and cameraman Farhan Dhamaskar for Bollywood Hungama News Network.